Hey everyone, Vanessa here, and today I'm going to be talking about the NYX Plump It Up Lip Plumper, which is exactly what it sounds like it is. It is a lip gloss that you can put on just alone, or you can put it on over lipstick or with lip liner or anything, and it's supposed to give you nicer, fuller looking lips. This, like I said, it's a lip gloss. It is not super sticky though, which I really love, because that's sometimes the problem with lip gloss, is I kind of feel like I'm like a 13-year-old putting on lip gloss and it's just super sticky and it's just not pleasant to wear. This one is not super sticky though. It is a wand, so I know sometimes it's like come in like a roller ball or something. I don't know, maybe that was like a really long time ago, but it has a wand, and it is an angled brush, which is super convenient. I prefer angled brushes just because I feel like you can get a more precise application. The size of the tube is actually 0.27 fluid ounces, and I have had this for maybe like a year, and I don't use it every single day, but I use it pretty often. It depends what kind of look I'm going for. I'll use it if I'm not wearing lipstick, or if I'm going for like a glossier finish with my lipstick is when I will use it. And just for size reference, I do have a mug here so that I can show you in a reference. So it's a little bit taller than the size of a mug. Well, not the product part, with the wand it is. So yeah, so this does have a little bit of a tingling sensation when you put it on, which is to be expected because it's supposed to be plumping your lips. It's like a little bit of a tingling, cooling sensation, which I actually don't mind. I actually kind of like that. The color is super light. It's not super pigmented, and it comes in a few different shades. So it comes in just clear shade, which is called the Live. All of the shades, it's super cute. All of the shades have like a name, like an actual person's name. So the clear one is Live, and then Lisa, which is a sheer pink with glitter, and then the one that I have is Lindsay. You can see there, PIU02 is the color number. And this is a baby pink, and it's very shimmery. Then there's Kim, which is a peach color, Angelina, which is a shimmery champagne, Jessica, which is a soft beige with like a holographic glitter, so that's pretty cool. I've been wanting to grab that one and try it out. A Scarlet, which is an ultra sheer red, and Elizabeth, which is a soft mauve pink. And I think even the red one, Scarlet, is probably going to be your most pigmented one, but even then it's still pretty sheer. You're not going to get too much color because the main point of it is just to plump up your lips a little bit. It does come in just a plastic. It's not glass or anything, but it's a pretty durable plastic tube that it comes in. It is oil based, so that maybe that's why it's not so sticky, is because it's oil based. That's like mineral oil is going to be the main ingredient. Now, as far as does it actually plump my lips, I think that it does. Sometimes I'll use like a lip liner along the outside just to line my lips, and then I'll put this product on, and I definitely do see a difference. And like I said, with the tingling sensation, you can actually feel it working too. It's obviously not going to give you huge lips like if you've got them professionally filled with fillers, but it is going to like make them look just a little bit fuller, which I think is the goal here. Obviously, for a product like this that you can get pretty much at any store or anywhere online, it's not gonna like give you Kylie Jenner lips. Sometimes what I'd also do with this is I will like dab a little bit of concealer on my lips, because that'll give you like that pale nude, and then I put this over top and it gives you just a really good nude. I think that it actually almost, in photos, I've taken photos before with this on and sent it to my friends, and they actually notice the difference more in photos than in person, which is really good if you're into like taking selfies and whatnot, like I am. I love taking selfies, and so I always want, so putting this on will give you like nice full lips in your photo. So yeah, I think this is just a really great product. I think that if you're just looking for something to just add a little bit of fullness to your lips, this is a really good option. I love this, and I definitely want to go back and get some more shades. I probably would do the clear one, because that one I can then really wear. I can add to any of my lipsticks as well. I can add it over any color, and it'll just make my lips look a little bit fuller and add a little bit of shine, because sometimes, you know, you just don't want that matte look that lipstick will give you, or that most lipsticks these days give you. So doing it that way, so adding this over a lipstick will just give you a little bit of that shine. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.